welcome back to Learning with Estrella, where I teach you Spanish with easy, simple and fun videos. I love traveling, learning and experiencing new cultures. Spain has so many incredible places beyond Madrid and Barcelona, and I really want to show you those hidden gems only Spanish people would know. Which is why I'm starting the Spain Diaries, a new travel series where we will visit local cafes, markets, cultural tips, an inside look on how locals live, and of course we will definitely travel to places like Malaga, Sevilla, Valencia, Granada and many more destinations. But if you have any other suggestions, make sure to comment them down below. As I was planning these videos, I realized that the only barrier there is when people travel to Spain is the language. Most people travel and miss out on so many incredible places just because they don't know how to communicate or ask for things. So I wanted to create something that would fix this problem. I want people to have something to help them, so no matter what situation they're in, the language is not a barrier. I kept hearing people say, well, I don't want to be fluent, I just want to know enough to communicate, which is how Estrella's Spanish Travel Guide was made. A very practical book you can have on your phone with real conversations and easy pronunciation. It's like having me with you on your trip. Just pull out your phone and there it is. Easy to follow, simple and fun Spanish. If this sounds like the solution you've been waiting for, or you're traveling to Spain soon, it's currently 40% off. You can get your copy today by clicking the link in the description box or simply going to my website learningwithestrella.com. I'm so excited to take you around Spain. Nos vemos!